In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix NFL Sunday Ticket not showing all games. Let's go over some common reasons why you might not be seeing every matchup you expect and how you can get things working again. Now, one thing to remember is that NFL Sunday Ticket is designed to show out of market games. That means if your local station already has the rights to broadcast a certain game, it won't appear in your Sunday Ticket lineup. So if you're wondering why your hometown team is missing, chances are it's being shown on your local CBS or Fox channel instead. Another reason is games may not show up is due to blackout restrictions. So the NFL has agreements in place that sometimes block streaming if the game is available elsewhere. So checking your local TV listing first can help you confirm whether that's the case. But let's say that you know the game should be there and it still isn't showing. The issue might be technical. Start by refreshing the app or website, and if that doesn't work, try signing out and back into your account sometimes. Simply updating the app or clearing the cache on your device clears up the problem. It also worth checking your subscription details. Make sure your plan actually covers the games you're expecting. Sometimes people have the base package but not the full set of channels. And if you're using like a multiple devices, logging in on a second device can sometimes reveal whether the issue is tied to just one platform. So if none of those steps fix it, reaching out to a customer service or customer support is the best move. They can verify your account and walk you through any fixes that are specific to your setup. At the end of the day, most of the time, the missing games aren't really missing. They're just broadcast locally, restricted by blackout rules, or hidden by a simple app glitch that you can fix with a quick refresh. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.